Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. And I am back with another haul, and this time it's a Amazon haul. I have shopped a lot, like some kitchen things or some like random stuff. So I thought why not to share it with you guys. And I was getting ready for this video, so I made a full tutorial of this half cut crease. So it's on my channel, you guys can check it out. The link is in description box below. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you this very cute headband. This is from Miniso. I don't know how Miniso is available on Amazon also. To be honest, I bought all the stuff like 1.5 month ago, late in September. So I have used this in one of my Instagram video, and girls went crazy for this, and few of you guys asked me for the links also. So all the links of all the products are in description below. If you guys like anything, please buy from those links, because those links are my affiliate program links. So if you guys will buy anything from those links, so Amazon will give me some amount, like very little amount of commission from that. So coming to the next item, this is very essential, very beneficial for your health as well. I have bought these black chia seeds from Nature Vibe Botanicals, and मैंने ये थोड़ा सा यूज भी करा है. If you guys can see, थोड़ा सा ये ऊपर से empty है. And these are really great seeds. I think उसमें chia seeds में कोई brown seeds भी आते हैं, and these are black. And YouTube पे मैंने देखा था कि black are more effective. So now coming to the main stuff, major stuff I order for kitchen. Lately I love cooking. I cooked the whole lockdown thing, and I posted so many stories on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're bad. Follow me on Instagram, please. So first is this spatula set. ये कुछ ऐसी पैकेजिंग में आता है अमेजोन से. एंड एक प्रॉब्लम हुई, जब मुझे ये रिसीव हुआ तो ये ऐसे खुला हुआ ही रिसीव हुआ, बट कुछ भी डिफेक्टेड नहीं था, कुछ गायब नहीं था, तो मैंने कुछ कंप्लेंट भी नहीं करा. सो दीज आर 5 spatulas, wooden spatulas actually. We don't have wooden spatulas. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. वुडन स्पैचुलास की बहुत ज़्यादा नीड थी, बिकॉज नॉन स्टिक में वुडन स्पैचुला यूज़ होता है, एंड हम लोग कुछ ख़राब भी कर चुके हैं अपने नॉन स्टिक पैन्स बिकॉज ऑफ मेटल का यूज़ करके उसमें. सो आई थॉट टू बाय इट. एंड द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर किचन इज दिस. आई एम गोना शो यू the packaging first and then the product. So this is how it came. It has this foam thing which I really like, and then this bubble wrap also, because these are I will show you. These are wine glasses. Although हमारे घर में कोई नहीं पीता, like मैं नहीं पीती, मेरी mom नहीं पीती. So these are wine glasses. I am very much fond of these type of glasses, so I thought to buy them. I have to be very careful with these. These are 2 wine glasses. वाइन ना सही तो इसमें कोल्ड ड्रिंक डाल के पी लेंगे. So yeah, next are also glasses. So these are the 6 glasses, set of 6 glasses we bought for ourselves, like if guest comes, so we can serve them in these. And you guys can see this has very unique, very pretty design. And next product is also from the same brand, Ziva. If I could find the link, so I'll provide the link in description. And ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैं बचपन से देखती हूँ, एंड हमारे घर में नहीं था ड्यू टू आई डोंट नो व्हाट रीज़न. मे भी था तो हम छोटे होते थे तो तोड़ वोड़ दिया होगा. सो आई रियली लाइक इट. दीज आर आइसक्रीम कप्स, वेरी क्यूट, very elegant. I can even use these for decoration purpose also, like on Diwali I can put some roses with water in it and put it something, 2 of these over any table, like this, like 2 of these. These look really pretty together, and you guys can also lock it like this. See? This is very sundar sa showpiece also. If अगर ढंग से रखा जाए, जिनके घर छोटे बच्चे ना हों. So this is how it looks. I really like it. ये मैं So from kitchen category, this is the last product I have with me here is this momo maker. इसके ऊपर वाले में ये ऐसे होल्स करे हुए हैं so that steam pass out हो सके easily. And नीचे वाला ये जो container है, this is the really huge container, like you guys can see, 4-liter container. And इसके साथ एक ये glass lid. Sorry for this noise and background noise also. Traffic बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है आजकल. So yeah, ये ग्लास का लिड भी है. सो इफ अगर हमें मोमो स्टीम नहीं करने हैं तो हम ये हटाकर इसको ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी बिग वेसल. So the next product I have with me is this Derma Suction pore cleaning device. It says suck the yuck out of your pores. This is a pore cleaner device. You guys can see this is the main machine and these three are the different attachments, like one is small head, sonic head and large head according to your problems. Like if you have large pores, so you can use this one. If you have small pores, so you can use this one. So this basically does like it suck all the gunk which you have in your pores, like blackheads and whiteheads, everything out of your pores with the help of that suction it has. And you need to put batteries in it. So, and guys, I am planning a giveaway when I will hit 1k on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested, so I will put this machine in that giveaway. There will be a lot more of products related to skincare, beauty and such kind of these things. So if you guys are interested, please follow me on Instagram and I will update you guys over there. So the next product I have with me is this hair spa cap. This has this wire going on here till you guys can see in knot लगा हुआ है, तो wire बहुत लंबी है. And I have not used it yet. Actually मैं इसके बारे में भूल गई थी. अभी मैंने ये अपनी कबर्ड से निकाला है. So you guys can use this, I think like this. Yeah, tying all the hair up in this, and this is the wire, switch on, switch off. So you all know that salons में बहुत ज़्यादा expensive होते हैं spas, and काफ़ी अच्छा होता है for hair because मेरे भी बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहा है. So I thought to give it a try, अभी तक जो नहीं दिया है. So if you guys want a full review, I'll do it on myself and then make a video. So the last product of this Amazon haul is the costliest product of this entire haul is these OnePlus earbuds. And जिस दिन ये launch हुए थे उसी दिन मेरे friend ने ये order कर दिए थे for me. So these are the cute little earbuds from OnePlus. This is their new launch and I got them in white color. They have 3 color, I think, blue, black and white one. White one looks so classy. These same look like Apple earbuds, earpods जो भी बोलते हैं उनको. We have this OnePlus वाले because we use OnePlus and these look so classy. And same उसके जैसे ही लगते हैं and the quality is also really very good, I must say. And जब से आए हैं I am using them on a regular base. I am not a believer of expensive accessories, but these are really good ones. And ये इतने भी महंगे नहीं हैं if I compare to Apple ones. These are for 5,000 rupees. So it is a great purchase if you love music, listening to music, and if you do work and you want कि सब कुछ hand free रहे, तंग ना हो, कोई hustle ना हो. So these are really good. So yeah guys, we are done with this Amazon haul. If you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you are seeing me for the very first time, and please check out all the video on my channel. And if you guys like those videos, please share with your friends. That will help me in grow. So thank you for watching this guys. See you next time. Bye bye.